Before humanity arrived, Mars was a silent world, vast, frozen, and completely lifeless, with no breathable air to support even a single human being.
Mars' atmosphere is extremely thin, cold, and mostly carbon dioxide. With 95% CO2 and only 0.13% oxygen, it cannot support human life. Without life support, an astronaut would suffocate in minutes. This makes Mars a deadly environment for humans.
In the earliest settlements, every tank of oxygen had to be transported from Earth, making every breath expensive, limited, and dependent on distant supply missions. Then scientists placed a small experimental machine on Mars, designed to collect carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and attempt to extract oxygen from it. The experiment succeeded. For the first time in history, breathable oxygen had been manufactured using the atmosphere of another world. But this was only a demonstration. The machine produced very little oxygen, while a permanent settlement would require powerful industrial plants operating continuously. Engineers searched for the safest location to build the first city, studying water ice, sunlight, stable terrain, and space for future expansion. Before the first settlers arrived, autonomous cargo ships delivered robots and heavy machinery to prepare the land and construct essential infrastructure. Massive intake systems began collecting Mars's thin atmosphere, filtering its dust and compressing the carbon dioxide-rich gas for processing. Inside heated electrolysis chambers, carbon dioxide was separated, oxygen was collected, while carbon-rich waste gases were safely released or reused. For the first time, Mars stored large reserves of locally produced oxygen, enough to protect habitats, support workers, and prepare for expansion. Buried water ice offered another source. Once melted and purified, electrolysis separated into oxygen for life and hydrogen for fuel. When the first permanent settlers arrived, the oxygen plant was already operating, storage tanks were full, and the habitats were pressurized.
Helmet secure, systems green.
Inside the sealed habitat, an astronaut opened the helmet and took the first breath made entirely from resources found on Mars.
It's real. We're here.
Plants absorbed carbon dioxide, machines recycled water, and oxygen circulated continuously, creating the first closed living environment beyond Earth. Oxygen also became a powerful rocket oxidizer, allowing spacecraft to refuel locally and making regular travel from Mars possible.
Growth is steady. The system is stable.
With reliable oxygen, greenhouses multiplied across the settlement, producing fresh food while strengthening the city's biological life support system. Hospitals received protected oxygen supplies, while emergency safe rooms kept residents alive during leaks, equipment failures, and surface disasters. Deep beneath the surface, machines carved enormous protected chambers where new districts could escape radiation, cold, and dangerous dust storms. A vast pipeline network connected oxygen plants, storage hubs, homes, farms, hospitals, industries, and spaceports across the growing Martian city.
Can you believe we're actually here?
It's incredible. Mars is our home now. Look at that dust storm on the horizon.
It's beautiful, scary but beautiful.
We're building something new here.
Together.
I can't wait to explore.
Me too.
Reliable oxygen-powered furnaces, manufacturing plants, and construction systems, allowing Mars to produce materials instead of importing everything from Earth. Pressurized trains and sealed vehicles connected distant districts, transforming dangerous expeditions into ordinary daily journeys across the Martian settlement. When a massive dust storm blocked sunlight, stored oxygen, and underground infrastructure kept the city functioning safely for weeks.
kPa, structures are shaking. Confirm, no breaches, monitoring. Metrics are rising.
Eventually, Mars produced more oxygen than survival required. The surplus powered new industries, spacecraft, farms, and rapidly expanding settlements.
Back to optimal.
What began as a fragile outpost became a vast underground metropolis filled with homes, gardens, factories, hospitals, and transportation networks.
Wow, look at this place. We're really on Mars.
Incredible. Let's find immigration. The screen says new citizens register here.
Good. I can't wait to see our new home.
It's the start of our new life.
Across the planet, new cities appeared near water and energy resources, connected through communication, transport, and oxygen distribution networks. Mars itself remained cold and unbreathable. Humanity survived by transforming its cities, not by changing the atmosphere of an entire planet. Oxygen gave Mars more than breathable air. It enabled food, medicine, industry, transportation, fuel, and ultimately, a new home for humanity.